Jim Rohn grew up on an Idaho farm where winter could kill you if you weren't ready. His father taught him something that changed everything. Smart farmers don't curse the cold or blame the weather. They prepare during harvest for the hunger ahead. Rohn carried this wisdom into life and business. He realized most people live like bad farmers. They party during good times and panic when trouble comes. But successful people think differently. They save money when they're making it. They learn skills before they need them. They build relationships before they need help. Rohn taught a simple truth. You can't change the seasons of life. Market crashes will come. Jobs will disappear. Health problems will strike. But you can change yourself. He said you become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So choose wisely. While others complain about winter, you prepare during summer. The question isn't whether hard times will come. The question is whether you'll be ready when they do. Winter is coming. Are you prepared?